cute, isn't it?
Wow, I can't believe the location it's in. It's all right. So, what do you know about this one?
Well, they believe it was built in the 1920s. They don't know who built it. Obviously a miner. They believe it closed. There were photographs of it in 1932, and then after that they believe it closed down. And then it was abandoned around in the 1930s and just left to decay.
Huh.
Oops. There we go. Oh, double lock.
Nice.
Oh,
Wow.
look at this.
All right, I'll leave the door open just to get some light in here.
Isn't this?
Wow. Okay,
cute?
This is really stocked 4 bunks. They all look really comfortable.
I'm going to open this back door to get some more light in here. It's a barn door. Look at this. How cool is that?
Oh, yeah. Ooh, cold storage out back?
We'll check that out later. This is so cool. This is just,
cheap.
I mean, 1-room cabin, obviously.
Yeah.
No stove. So I guess they would have
Cook on the fire.
possibly.
But man, look at all of the stuff in here.
So I was saying, so it was abandoned and left, and it was pretty much dilapidated. And then I think it was in the 70s, 2 guys found it, fell in love with it, and restored it. And from then on, it's been maintained. And the 2 gentlemen passed away in, I believe, 2003, 2004. But people have maintained volunteering and keeping it up. So it's now used permanently as a volunteer cabin.
Yeah, and again, I mean, we say this every single time, the remoteness, but how far out this one is, and it's like built in a wash, so it is pretty remarkable that this is still standing. There's still evidence of it for them to work on.
Books. Look at all the books.
There's books absolutely everywhere.
4 chairs. Random Harvest. The world's greatest literature. Oh, Pilgrim's Progress. I remember reading that when I was at school.
Yeah, I like the radio.
Have you seen all these guns everywhere?
Yeah, I think these are all toy guns. They're plastic.
Well, whoever has stocked this full of books, they're obviously well educated. A Student in Arms. Oh, I love books. Look at that one. Latin. That's something I didn't learn.
I know a little bit of Latin.
Oh, snake skin.
Oh yeah, this is great.
I think this is one of my favourite cabins that we've ever come across, to be quite honest, because it's really homely.
Yeah, and it's fully stocked. It is really clean.
Yeah, there's no mice droppings anywhere.
No.
Oh, a couple, but nothing major. Emergency candles, antiperspirant, bits and pieces.
The flag, of course. Spam, beans,
Yuck.
corn.
Okay, the beans and the corn I'd eat. The spam you can keep. Oh, are they dog treats?
No, those are earplugs.
They look like dog treats. Rats, mice and rattlesnakes, sidewinders, have been found in this area. Evidence of their presence has also been found inside the cabin.
Yeah.
Your help in controlling these creatures is requested.
Well, as you can see through the floor here, I mean, they
Mice.
have a way in outside. They're definitely going to come in. These are pretty big gaps. So.
This is really cool.
It is. So shall we You want to go back out the front? Because I know there's some stuff along the side we can check out.
Okay.
We'll shut this up nice and neat. See what else is around outside?
Look,
Oh, okay.
isn't this lovely?
So now I think this is the memorial to...
To the two gentlemen that looked after the cabin. Yeah, 2002 and 2003.
Oh.
They passed away.
Wow, they passed away in the same month. Or no, sorry, they were born. Wow, okay, they were born in the same month, 10 days apart. They passed away in the same month. A little over...
Oh, just under a year.
That's...
Pretty incredible.
That is. So they were very connected, very good friends.
This stone, it's got a hummingbird.
Yeah, it's pretty...
Nectar. Spring is a promise of new hopes. Facebook. Hesperia rocks, high desert rocks. Keep or hide again. Well, you know what? I'm not going to keep it and I'm not going to hide it again. I think this needs to stay here.
Yeah.
Don't you? As part of the memorial.
Yeah, it's... What a nice memorial.
Isn't that cute? Do you want to check out this cold storage? I'll let you go first.
All right.
Oh, look at all the bricks, the rocks to hold up from the mudslide.
Oh, yeah. Make a nice little back area here. And...
The cold storage.
Cold storage. Oh, yeah, it's not very deep. Got some extra chairs, some cement bags back there. Not much else. Tight fit with all this.
Yeah.
It looks like somebody has set fire to it also up there. That beam back there is burned. You can see the charring along the dirt.
Oh well.
Come on, people.
Okay.
Oh, I see it.
Next stop. Detour.
Okay. They used old ladders here for as a like fence posts.
A lot of time and effort. They've even got a lock on the toilet. Got to say it. No trip would be complete. Oh, without a trip to the loo. Very clean. So they've got some. Is that lye? Is that what they call it?
Yeah.
To put down the loo.
And
Kitchen. Oh, well stocked with toilet paper and wet wipes.
And it definitely has recently been used.
Oh,
and I won't explain why, but you know.
Okay.
If it's been recently used.
It's a bit smelly.
Yeah, when you go into the bathroom after somebody's recently used it, you can tell. So that's what's happened here.
Huh. Wow. Okay.
What else is around?
Let's check out and see what those things are.
Okay.
I found something. Dynamite storage or an attic?
Oh. Well, it says explosives along the side there.
There's a date, 3rd of March 1962. No, it's backbarred, so it's definitely a mine entrance. You can feel how stale the air is. You can smell it.
Oh yeah, it's hot. Okay, let me put some light on the subject here. There we go, that's better.
I wonder how far back it goes. Is that water on the ground?
There is some moisture, maybe. It could be oil. But it doesn't appear that it does go back very far. I mean, that looks like that's the face back there.
Unless it turns.
Yeah, but it is a good maybe 150, 200 feet.
And it looks solid. I mean, there's no, the ground,
Yeah.
no rockfall or anything.
And you get a look at the rock formation here in the back. And it does look very, very solid. So
Well, I'm glad we came because you don't know how long these cabins are going to last for.
I know it's becoming more and more of these places when we come back and visit them or see other people that have visited them. They're looking mighty different each time. So
Yeah. I mean, not just with normal weather and deterioration,
Yeah.
but with the vandalism.
Mm-hmm. All right, so what's next?
Life's a mystery. Let's go and discover it.
So back
Go.
out the way we came?
Yep.
All right, Tonto, let's go.